It's common for a database to have many objects, and therefore it's useful to be able to have a method to quickly navigate to the object that you are interested in. We want to filter and sort the orders table, and so I'll select the drop-down control at the top of the navigation pane, select Northwind Traders, and select Supporting Objects. Tables are stored in supporting objects in this database. This is quite common because users will typically use forms and reports to interact with the data. Now I'll double-click Orders and select the Employee column. We're now going to sort by employee. In Sort and Filter, I'll select Ascending. We also want to filter the records. If you have a particular record and want to compare other records with it, it is straightforward to select one field and then look for other records based on whether they are the same, different, greater than or less than their current record. I'll select the order date of the first record and in Sort and Filter select Selection and select On or Before 04/03/2006. It is very straightforward to turn off the filter by selecting the toggle filter and remove the sort by selecting Remove Sort. We'll now have a look at more complex filtering and the ability to save a filter as a reusable query. Filters are stored so that they can be turned on and off. We want to create a new filter, and so we'll first clear the filter that we've just created. I'll select Clear All Filters and in Sort and Filter select Advanced. We can use a form as a simple method to input the criteria for our filter by selecting Filter by Form. We want to find orders for an employee called Nancy. We're using an asterisk as a wildcard because we don't know how to spell Nancy's last name. In Employee, I'll type Nancy asterisk. We're only interested in orders before the 4th of April 2006. In order date, I'll type less than 04/04/2006. We can now see the results of this filter, but what if we actually want all results for Nancy, whatever the date, and all results before the 4th of April 2006? I'll go back through the process of selecting Toggle Filter. In Sort and Filter, I'll select Advanced and select Filter by Form. By removing the filter from the first tab and placing it on the second tab, we will get the results we want, and so we can delete Nancy asterisk, select the OR tab and type Nancy asterisk in Employee there. We're now going to return to the filter to update it and save it as a query. We're now going to remove the filter for an employee name by clicking the tab with Employee Filter, in Sort and Filter selecting Advanced and selecting Delete Tab. We now have the filter that we want, and we want to save this as a query to make it more reusable. In Sort and Filter, I'll select Advanced, select Save as Query and type Orders before 04/04/2006. We can now categorize our new query by going to the navigation pane and dragging it from unassigned objects to supporting objects. We can now run it whenever it's required. Now you can have a go at using reports.